Hi, my name is Matt Sorensen, and in this video I'm going to be showcasing the results of the Week 12 coding assignment. This assignment required that we demonstrate an ability to create unit tests using JUnit and Mockito. I'll begin by describing the different classes, and then I'll run the required tests. So here in our test demo class, it has three methods. The first is the add positive method. It takes two integers as the input, checks whether they're positive, and then returns the sum. If either number is not positive, it will throw an illegal argument exception. The second is the random number squared method, which generates a random integer between 1 and 10, squares it, and then returns the result. And the third method, get random integer, is what we use to generate our random number. Next, we have test demo test, which contains our unit tests. And in the setup method, we create a new instance of the test demo for each test. We also have a test name, assert that two positive numbers are added correctly, which checks the add positive method under different scenarios. We also provide arguments to this test using the arguments for add positive method. And finally, we have the assert that number squared is correct test, which ensures that random number squared works correctly. So now let's run our tests. As we execute, you'll see that each of the arguments in our arguments for add positive method will be passed to the assert that two positive numbers are added correctly test method, and this will ensure that our add positive method is properly working. And in order to test the assert that number squared is correct, we've stubbed the get random int method to return 5 so that we can predict the output of random number squared and confirm it's working as correctly. So now let's go ahead and run it. And as we can see, all the tests passed successfully. This means that our add positive method is correctly adding positive integers and throwing exceptions for non-positive integers. In addition, our random number square method is accurately squaring the generated random numbers, and all these results show that our test demo class is working properly.